Good afternoon, my loves. Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are. So it's Vlogmas again. I don't know what day is today, but it's Vlogmas again. So I'm vlogging, I'm holding on for this dear thing called Vlogmas. Hope you're all doing well. It's Sunday. My curtains up and I'm pretty excited. I am excited, but guess what? It can't fit. It can't fit. It's too short. I have to get some more curtains. The curtain, and you see it stopped there. Some more curtain here that I'm going to use is quite longer. So for these, I think they're longer than 84, but I don't know. Because Dan put the curtain rod up a bit higher. Seems much better. So you can give it a bit of height, but look there. So I have to get some longer curtain. I'm liking it. Look at this curtain. So I have these two set in the middle and that one. And then I have the sheer one at the end. But I'm liking it. So I only have one of these curtain rod. I still haven't found another one that can match. Most of them are so tiny at the end. So Dan was saying maybe I could find a curtain rod and get a screw on for them. I'm not sure. We'll see about that. But this is what it's looking like. So I have these curtain and it's going over the other window. Yeah. So it's going over there and I'm going to clear those books up. That's up top. Kind of get the place together. So everything now, this is the nightstand that Daniel put together. So this is what it's looking like. I like the nightstand. This is the next nightstand. And I'm yet to decorate my bedroom. I'm getting there. It's going to look really good. And I'm waiting on the bedding. I'm going to put that white one in the closet. I have my green tree here. Those curtains. I have 4 of them. These are kind of sheer, but it also gives you a bit of privacy. So, it can work because we were using it at the other house that was. So these are white curtains. I really like these a lot. So it will be up. I'm going to Ross and Burlington to see if I can get some curtain rod. We shall see. Now I'm going to hurry up and cook because it's about 4 o'clock. Yeah, it's about 4 o'clock and I'm going to post a video now, one of my decorating video. And I'm just going to hurry up and cook. It's a quick meal. You get to see it. I'm doing Puerto Rican rice. I did last time, turn out well. So now I'm cooking it again. So let's go cook. So we're here. I'm about to cook. Sorry, I'm getting like, what am I doing? So a bit of cooking oil. And I have some seasoned pork. As you can see, I'm using pork. So for this recipe, I tried it before and it worked. It's just that I didn't have the green sofrito. I'm using the red one. I don't want the green one. So this was accidentally bought the last time instead of this was potato. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but potato. And I used this instead of the sofrito. And I mean, it was okay, but I don't think it gave it the right taste because I've tried the Puerto Rican rice before and it was off the chain. So I'm using this. And I'm going to let the pork cook a bit, just leave it there so it can cook. And I cut the pork small, and last time it wasn't so small, it was a bit big. And I texted my Puerto Rican friend and she was like, it looks really good, Tiffany. I was like, yeah, and it tastes so good. So this time I am doing a video so you can see it. Trust me, it tastes good. As I said, I need to get the green sofrito because for some reason, every time we go to the shop, I can't find the green sofrito. I have the red one. See, here's sofrito. So it's the red one. But I'm going to sort the red one. I'm not using too much. I'm going to use some of the red one and some of the green one. But we shall see. I know it's going to taste good. However, I think I need to go to a Spanish store and just get these things. Like today we're supposed to go to the, what do you call that? No, not the name, but the Korean market. So I'm going to the Korean market, actually, and I'm going to get a bit of things so I can have in the oils, and also I'll get some Spanish things, Hispanic, because I really want to make this rice again good. Just like the proper way, because it's just like making something a Jamaican meal. You really have to get everything well. You can't cook the rice and peas without the coconut milk. That don't make any sense. That's not rice and peas. That's not a proper Jamaican rice and peas. And you need to season it with your thyme and scallion. Yeah. So it's the same thing. I want to get that proper flavor. So now I'm just going to let the pork cook and do its thing, and then we're going to add some more things. So I add the Sazon Gaia seasoning. I'm using 1 packet. Because it have a lot of sodium, so I'm using 1 packet. Yes, baby. Hi, come here. I have the tomato sauce and the gungo peas, the pigeon peas. No, I can't put this one. This is a Jamaican one. So for this meal, they put pigeon peas, which we call gungo peas in Jamaica. I think we call it pigeon peas then, probably. But I can't use this one because this one of coconut milk, I just realized. Yes, baby? What happened? The other pigeon peas, gungo peas I shall say. I'm going to use this one, which is a dry one. And so I have to get everything in. Now for seasoning, I am going to season it how I see the recipe fit. Yes, I have to follow the recipe as I said. So now I'm going to add the things to it. To add some of this. It's not the green sofrito, but as I said, this is the potato culantro base. So it's like, I guess, a cilantro base thing. I'm going to use some of it. I'm going to show you the pot of it. So about 2 tablespoons. I put a little bit more. And that should do it. And now for this one, I'm going to use the red one. It's about 2. Oh my God. Yeah, I think 2 should be fine. Just a little bit more. Yeah. 3 should be fine. Then I'm going to cut it in the tomato sauce and add that to it. Ooh, this is a pop like crazy. That's what it look like. I'm going to season it. Oh my God, what may I say? A bit of black pepper. I don't have all the seasoning that the recipe called for, but you need to just season it. I am just seasoning it, and then I'm going to put the packet in it, which is the Sazon. I am so hungry and I'm cooking. As I said, I'm using 1 pack. Now for this, I'm going to leave it like this and clean up a bit. Or the movie, we can watch that. That look interesting, Dan.
The retirement plan?
Yeah. We can do 2 because it's just a splishy splashing. That's not the right part cover. You know what it is that? You wash it?
Yeah, that is on top.
Oh yeah.
Mom, I forgot to show you how nicely I wash it.
Oh really? I have some chicken broth here. So I'm going to cover it and leave it there to just cook on low, probably like so it don't burn up. And I go just leave it there and it go just cook nice and shelly and then be shown up what it look like when it finished. So for now I'm just going to cut up some vegetable. I have some cucumber here. You know what? I probably don't use tomato. I'm just going to cut up some cucumber and that's it. I was going to use this pear, but it's not ready. It's tough and it's green. I'm going to wrap it up in newspaper and let it ripe. It should ripe about 2 days later or 3. So I'm just going to wrap it up. Our rice, it's been cooking for a while. Look at this.
Hey, hi, mommy.
This looks so good. Hello, baby.
Here's all the top in the food.
Yeah, look at mommy rice. You can see it. This looks so good. So this is my Puerto Rican rice.
Where's the
Here you are. We have some salmon here.
Pancake?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
No.
I'm ripping them up. Wait.
Uh-oh.
No, this is wrong. I'm ripping the beautiful salmon up. You done? Pray, pray.
Pray first.
How'd this get in the house?
I don't want to go there. Can we get Elisha? Can we Elisha?
Hey.
Music is in there.
Okay, but sweetie, the music makes me happy.
Who it is, and introducing. Hey, what? We're doing this right before Christmas. This is business.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
please.
Me.
Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Who's next? Your car.